As a freelancer and remote worker working in Nigeria for international clients, one of my most preferred method of receiving payment from my clients is via cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is my most preferred method of receiving payments because one, it is very swift, two, it is seamless, and three, you have options of exchange. That means you might decide to trade at a higher rate if you can source for the right seller. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually sign up for a cryptocurrency account. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, know that I love you so much. Thanks for always tuning in. So in today's video I want to walk you through the process of how you can actually get yourself a cryptocurrency account, because like I said earlier, I preferred being paid in cryptocurrency. It has a lot of advantage and it doesn't take time, unlike some other exchange method where you have to wait for some hours, and sometimes it has a lot of issues. You know, other payment methods like wire transfer, Western Union, and some other apps too, you know, a lot of them used to have so many issues. Okay, but as for me, I have chosen to go with cryptocurrency, and I discovered that many people don't like cryptocurrency because they feel that it is very stressful, and some people also think that cryptocurrency, like if you are not careful, it actually swallow your money. Yeah, I understand all your fears, and that's why I'm going to be making this video, and this video is actually split into batches. Okay, so in this episode I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create a cryptocurrency account and how you can actually get your wallet, like how you can create a wallet, okay, that you can use to actually receive payment from anybody within or outside the country. All right, and the one I prefer, like the one I'm going to be specific about, is USDT. Now there's difference between USDT and USD. Okay, USD is the United States dollar. It's different from USDT. All right, USDT is a Tether. It's a cryptocurrency coin. All right, and another reason why I prefer cryptocurrency is because like the exchange rate is always high, you know, and it favors, especially we in Nigeria, it favors us a lot. So it is very seamless and it is swift and it is very straightforward in as much as you know how to navigate this app. Some people, opening the app alone scares them off and they'll be like, what's all this? How do I go about it? Okay, so in this video I'll show you how you can actually do your proper KYC verification and how you can get your wallet in order for you to start receiving payment via cryptocurrency. All right, having said that, let's head over to my screen while I walk you through the process. First thing you want to do is to find your Google Play Store or Apple Store, iOS Store, and type in Bybit. Okay, because today we are going to be using Bybit. I think Bybit is kind of it's one of the fast growing cryptocurrency wallets. Okay, so type in Bybit and this is what you have. So you go ahead and install it. So after installing it, let's try and install it. Click on the install button here, right here. But before you install it, at least you want to like check like the rate, the reviews, sorry, you want to check the reviews and all of that and be very sure that okay, this is the correct Bybit. All right, so you go ahead and install it just like I'm doing in this video. All right, make sure you install it and wait for it to install. Okay, here we have it. It is installing, and this is what we have. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so opening it, this is what the app looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like on your phone, right? So go ahead and click on the sign up button. Sign up. Then you want to sign up via, you can either sign up via your email or your mobile number, whichever works for you, but I prefer email because email notification. You get to know what's going on in your account. Okay, so I prefer email notification. But if you don't have an email, you can as well use your phone. All right, so let's go ahead and use our phone number for the purpose of this video. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using our email. Okay, so I have put in my email. Then you go ahead and create a password. Like, these are the criteria for creating a password. You make sure that it has capital letter, make sure it has numbers, mixture of numbers, capital letters, and all of that. So you want to put a password that you will easily remember, or the one that you will not forget in time. Okay, so go ahead and put in your password. Make sure your password is complicated, kind of, so that it will not be easily detected. Then after putting in your password, after creating a password, the next thing you want to do is to click on this button that says, okay, if you are being referred by someone, go ahead and click on referral code. You can put the person's referral code. But if not, you can just go ahead and click on the sign up button. I'll be leaving the link to the registration in the description of this video below, so you can just click the link in the description and just register straight up. It will take you to the website where you get to register. Then you can go ahead and download the app after registration. All right, it's still the same thing. So this is my own referral code. I decided to put this referral code here. All right, okay, so next thing you want to click on, I have read and understand the crypto blah 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 whatever. Click on it and go ahead and sign up. All right, so signing up, it will take you to this page where you have to drag this box. You have to drag it to fit in the other one. That's the kind of verification method. So the next thing you want to do is they're going to send a verification code to your email address. So what you want to do now is to go to your email address, like you check in your inbox, you check for the code, right? Let's check for the code that was being sent to us. So here is the code. We are going to paste the code here, and this is what we have. Okay, so it will automatically open Bybit. Okay, now you verified your email. Now let's go ahead and verify your identity. Okay, just go ahead and verify. Click on verify now. Then, and if you don't want to verify that now, you can go ahead and click on skip. Okay, but this video we want to talk about how you can, of course you just have to verify because we want to do our KYC. Okay, so and here is the package: complete verification to deposit and win this amount of money, $5,020 and all of that. So let's go ahead and verify once and for all. Okay, so you have to click in all the boxes, click and go ahead and click on verify. We are in Nigeria, of course, so you can choose any means of verification, whichever one that works for you. We have BVN, we have ID card, driver's license, passport, residence permit. So whichever one works for you, you can go ahead and use it. Okay, and also don't forget, if you are not in Nigeria, just click on this icon up there and change your country to whichever country that you are in. Okay, I am in Nigeria and I will be verifying with my BVN. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify with BVN. Like I said, you can verify with anything, any legal ID card whatsoever, you can verify with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify with our BVN. All right, so I'm trying to get my BVN ready. Like, as you can see in this video, again they said BVN is recommended, but no, they just recommend it because I think it's seamless, like people can easily get it. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify, and after verifying, this is what to give you. So you click on allow. Okay, it's trying to gain, the app is trying to gain permission. Then click the country that you are resident in. If you are resident in the US, you click it. If you are a non-US resident, I'm in Nigeria. I'm a non-US resident, so I'm going to click this non-US resident and we go ahead and continue. Okay, so this is what we have now. This is the major deal. Okay, this is where people used to have plenty issues, but actually this is not really a big deal. Okay, so you just want to verify your profile details, and you can either verify via your profile details or a selfie. So just go ahead and click on continue. Now it will bring you to this page where you put in your country, your BVN number, and your last name. Remember, your last name is your own name, not your surname. Okay, your last name is your own name, not your father's name. All right, so go ahead and put in your last name and your BVN number, then click on continue, and it's going to verify your face. Okay, so let's do this verification. Put in your face while it verifies your face. Now I'm trying to do the KYC verification. Now as you can see, the immediately you put your face, it will verify. So your face verification is complete, and verification status, as you can see, that it has changed. Okay, now you can see that it says that the system is reviewing your verification, and after that they'll get back to you. So you can see that it is saying already that level 1 verified. Okay, that means you can trade at this point. If you follow this process to this point, it means that you can trade your crypto. You can do the basic things using your crypto. That's it. So that's just it. You can see that it is very straightforward and very nice. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video and you would love to see more of this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to also turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload another video like this, you will be the first person to actually get notified and get to watch the video. All right, till I see you in my next video. Bye guys.